Hello guys, good morning to each and every one of you. So on today's video I noticed that this unit is freezing on the charge line. You can see the charge line is freezing. So this definitely means that there is a low gas and there is a leakage on the line, either the evaporator coil or the coupling. So that's why this is showing here. So I'll be fixing it. I'll be finding where the leakage is. Can see I'll be finding where the leakage is on the unit, and I'll be replacing the gas. So but first of all, let's see the amount of gas that is inside the system. See the amount of gas that is inside the system using manifold gauge. So on my next video I'll be showing you how I was able to fix it. So if today is the first time you're coming across my page, please do to follow this page, like, and also share this video so that others can see and also benefit from it. And also I'll be cleaning the air condition. Can see it's looking dirty. So I'll be cleaning it. These are stained, these are dirty. Can see. So I'll be cleaning it. Inside there, this is a panel room where all the electrical cable is. Can see how many units that is in here. This is 1, here is 2, 3, 4, 5 air condition that is inside this building here. Only here contain 5 air condition. So due to the electrical appliances that is inside this room here, you can see the transformer that is there. So there are panels inside. So let's go to the indoor unit and see how it is. So see, so here is the indoor unit. Why my camera? Here is the indoor unit.